YouTube. This is my final unboxing for my wheels, and I'm kind of nervous about this one because the other three wheels were replicas of this wheel. They ran out. They discontinued because of the Ukraine war, so I couldn't get the other wheel that was made in China. So I had to buy an actual American Racing Torq Thrust Type M wheel. Hopefully, when I open this up, it will look exactly like the replicas, and I won't have no issues. So I can't stop procrastinating, so let's get this thing open. Let's start. Okay, here's the box. American Racing. Okay, let's open this sucker up. Okay, here we go. Wow. The replicas actually look like the original. Okay, this is the rear, one of the rears. This one is a 17 by 9. I have an inch wider like the other one. Let me just turn to the side and take a look at it. Yep, it's the 9-inch wide one. Machine lipped all the way around. Let me find out if that centric ring fits. I might have to get another set if this one's different than the other brand I bought. Hold on a second. Well, I just found out the hub's a different size, so this doesn't fit. But the good news is it is the exact same size as my factory hub on the car. So this wheel doesn't need a centric ring like my 3 knockoffs. So I'll just have an extra one here. This one will fit without a centric ring because it's the exact same fit as the hub on the car, which is good news. This is the center cap. Fits right up here. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to buy 3 more because this will actually fit on the knockoffs. So I have to get 3 more of these. I can go on eBay and get those. And that's it. Looks like it's a go. This wheel looks exactly like the knockoffs. So yeah, I spent a little bit more for this one, but at least I have a full set of 4. American Racing knockoff. I think we're good. Now I'm going to have to worry about getting the lowering springs and ordering the tires. And getting the center caps. Until next video, I'll see you.